You guys, what's up, you guys? You know when you know that you want to cook food that you're gonna eat, you're gonna happy. So you guys, I told you guys that we're actually cooking like bulk soup, right? So today we're cooking maybe 2 or 3 soups, and this is what we're starting off with. This is ugu leaf, vegetable, and water leaf. Baby, hold on now. These are the thumbnail. Okay. Okay, so Mama has actually already started. Come, let me show you the pot. So this is the everything is inside of this pot. Everything is inside of this pot. Yeah, this one is for one soup. He has actually put in the dry fish. I didn't show you guys dry fish in the other sharing video. I don't know if that video is going to be separate because it's going to be easy. If video go long, I will make a separate. So everything is inside here. Mama, goat meat, fish, and chicken. Everything just inside here. We just want to make sure that all of the protein contribute their flavor into this. So basically, Boo Boo is doing garlic and ginger because we got plenty cookings to do today. Baby, raise your head up. Don't be like that. So today is Monday, and since today is the first day that they said we're gonna have protest, so we're like, we don't know.
The protest is going on. The protest is already going on.
The protest is already going on. So we don't know. We don't know how it was gonna be. So we said let our children just stay in the house first, and let us see how the protest is gonna be. Because my husband is going out for protest. For me, I was there also. Anyway, let's do some washing.
If all of us they fear, who won't fight the fight? We just need to make up our mind and go out there and protest for our rights. Because let me settle the house first. Let me know that there's food in the house. That is the reason why yesterday I have to go and prepare myself, because I don't know if it will escalate to the point of stay in your house, curfew
kind of thing.
You understand? No.
So we had to
stop
there.
I just went to the market. I bought the things that are necessary that will last us for at least for 1 month. However way. Whatever. We need to plan ahead of them.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get washing some things. How can my husband be wasting time to be cutting garlic and ginger when we have a food processor? Why can't get the food processor? I made the food processor process them. Let's do it. Let's give it a try. But you have to.
Okay.
Okay,
make it 1-1. Let's do 1-1.
But the way I saw it, they did not even make it 1-1. No. Let's use the food processor and process it. And we want to cut ugu. So let's use the food processor and cut ugu and see. No, water leaf is okay. Water leaf is okay.
I don't think.
No, the water leaf.
Small. It will give a thickness.
Anyway, let's see how it is. Now then they use for their business, so concession,
They are exporting it now.
Huh?
They are exporting the ginger and garlic now. It's very expensive now. That's what made this very expensive. China know they use ice, yeah.
What did they even use and do, sir? What they value and like that?
Messes.
Now we will get the garlic and ginger, and I need to use and what Jenny say for them they need to drink cold water.
Why?
Say no cold water. If you go to any restaurant to eat, they need to give cold water. Say now warm water that they give.
Why?
I don't know. I don't ask why. She said she don't know why but they can give cold drink, but they don't give cold water.
They have reason. Oh, they have studied their weather.
I think it's not just their weather. You know, there, but then they and then they do more of medicinal things, eat medicinal things. You know,
So they
the ones where then they show us different from waiting then they do them.
They chop raw
All those things that they chop.
First of all, I frog. Raw.
Chop. Do you understand? Come on, one, put them from out, chop.
Mini pig. All those things. Snake. See those where they chop snake like say.
Chop snake. Chop this one. No. You know, since everybody have to work because everybody will be the one to eat. See, I carry face. Anybody will see face now go to say they vex.
Yes, now. They vex.
You dey vex. Okay, you no go vex when you dey chop the food bar.
I came here to eat food. I didn't come here to work.
Okay, you came to eat food. You didn't come to work.
Yes, now.
Oh, I see. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Just do the work small. Just to move this oha. We're doing oha and vegetable. Bernice is helping you.
You are scattering it.
She's not scattering it. She knows how to do home chores. Like she's learning. You see the way she's doing it, the way you're doing it. She just looked at you, and she's doing it the way you're doing it. So we want to peel garlic with this food processor. So this is the garlic that the food processor has peeled, right?
Don't do all this.
It's in a double work.
It's not any double work. What do you mean it's double work? Okay, now you're picking it out. That is it double work.
It's double work.
It's not any double work, I beg. This one is better.
Still.
So I want to cut onion using my food processor, right? So anyway, if you want it round, it's this one. Then if you want it shredded, it's this one. So use this one. So I want to shred onion. Where is the cover of this thing? I'm just doing it in just 2 seconds. Papa, sorry. My onion is ready. 2 seconds. Don't shred the onions finish. I'll show you. Some of them are big. Brian, stop making noise. Look at that.
It's still too big.
So my husband wants to do
Blend.
ginger and garlic.
Ginger and garlic. It's your turn.
I'm done shredding this. Are you done, baby? Good girl. She's so supportive. Shredded onion. Very quick. Very quick. I'm going to shred my vegetable in this food processor. The food processor will hear from me. It will say you come the wrong house.
Daddy, what?
Because I'm gonna use everything. I'm gonna do everything with it.
The mommy is
This one is garlic and ginger.
Well blended.
Well blended. So what's in that one process? I wanted to do that
Pepper.
pepper. But I just do the pepper at once, have you? Okay, Joe. You put small water. Just small. May not come too much. Bah? It's very fine.
Eat 1 spoon of it for 10,000.
Oh, please! Eat just half spoon of it for 20,000. See? I better bring vegetable maker. This my vegetable, you see. It's not properly like cut. I need it to be more tinier than this. So I'm going to be using my food processor to process that. And I'm using this particular blade. Let me put the vegetable inside.
Careful.
Yeah. And I'm going to be adding small salt to my vegetable so that it's soft.
Go to bed this salt.
Yes. No, see the other one with garlic. Add them now. Add salt. Squeeze them. But since this food processor will help me do the squeezing, so I don't need to. Okay. Come. They said you're supposed to have. They said you're supposed to do this thing well, but it's okay. Have you? It's better than the other one. See it. So now let me turn it and put somewhere. The thing is that I don't think look all of them this thing catch.
And the upper part, no, do not stop it for too long.
Yeah. So here is the vegetable. It's so perfect, you guys. So perfect. So here is the cocoyam for the oha soup. Here's the oha that we're going to be using to cook the soup. This particular blender not strong like the other one we'll get. That's why it's strong. Anyway, see, blended, right, and smooth. You have to make sure that you record everything.